Back to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Block. If you ever used Outlook Classic version and found it easier to use, this video is going to help you get it back on your Windows 11 PC. Microsoft changed the user interface of Outlook, including much more features, but not everyone is comfortable with it. If you are one of them who still love Outlook Classic, then you can follow the steps in this video to enable it. Some Windows 11 versions still have Outlook Classic pre-installed. To check that, go to the Start menu and search for Outlook Classic. If no app appears in the search, then probably you need to install it before switching back to the classic version. You can click on the link appeared here, or you can go to the browser and copy and paste the link from the video description. Once you open this link, you will land on this page, which is the download page of Outlook Classic app. You need to choose which language package you want the Outlook to be appear. So for now, I will choose English. So for English version, you need to click on this download link here. Once you click on it, it will download the installer of the Outlook Classic to your browser. So once you are downloaded, you just need to open it. And it will ask you for a permission, then it will start installing the Outlook Classic. We will just wait for the installation. So what it is doing is closing all the Microsoft apps before the installation begins. So it will probably close your new Outlook app if you have installed already. It might take some time, so just wait for it. Okay, so now the installation begins, and until the installation get completed, I will just pause the video for a while and come back to this once the installation is done to save the time. So we are halfway there, and it will take a few more minutes to complete. So I'm just waiting for the installation to complete. I will pause the video again, so this video won't be very long. So the installation is going to be finished almost. So let's wait for it to finish, then we will see how we can switch to classic version in Outlook. Depending on your download speed, it might take a long time because it is downloading the package. So if your downloading speed is fast, then it will be completed very quickly. It's almost done, so we will just wait for a few more minutes. So now you can see we have installed the Microsoft 365 and Office app on our computer. The Microsoft 365 package contain the Outlook Classic. So we will close this window and go head over to this start menu. As you can see, there's already an Outlook Classic showing up here. And even if you search Outlook, then you have two Outlook. This one is the new one, and this one is the classic version of it. So you just need to open this classic version. It might ask you to sign in again. If you are already signed in into the new Outlook app, then you just need to select the accounts. As you can see, it's asking me to sign in to my email again. So I will just wait for it to sign in. So it's done, and I will just click on done here. You can add more email addresses if you want, but for now I will just add one, and it just opened me to the new Outlook homepage. So here you have the older version or the classic version of Microsoft 365 apps that also include Outlook Classic app. It looked like a Microsoft Word, or you have used Office apps. So it exactly look like that. So just for the comparison, I will open both Outlooks so we can see how both of them are different. Okay, this one is the older version, and I will open the newer version also. So this one is the newer version. I will just put it side by side so we can compare. And the older version is here. Yep. So as you can see, the newer version and older version is a little bit similar, but yeah, in older version, you have the UI is a little bit different. You have a send and receive button on the top, and it will look more like other Office apps. And the newer version will look more like modern apps and Android apps. So that's the difference between a classic version and the new version. So I will close both of them. So I hope this video helped you a little bit in helping switching back to the classic version. And I will see you into the next video. Stay connected on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.